It could be awkward, it could be embarrassing, and it could leave you feeling like, what the hell am I doing? Instagram is filled with so many beautiful people and so many beautiful images, and if you're not familiar with taking pictures of yourself, you could come across the thought of, I could never look like that, let alone take pictures of myself like that. And the truth is that almost everyone can take pictures of themselves like that with just the right tools and just the right attitude. So let me show you how. I'm currently on location and I'm trying to find the spot that I had planned in mind. This park is kind of big, so I gave myself some leeway time to walk around and find that exact spot because I don't exactly remember where I took it. I found the spot and it's really gorgeous. It's a really nice day, but I've been here not even 10 minutes and I'm already sweating like so hard. So the sun, you can see that, it's just coming down really harshly. I thought there would be more leaves for the trees, but it didn't go as anticipated. So I'm gonna see what I could do. I think I'm already like shiny. Taking pictures of yourself is predominantly a mental game. It is really difficult to go on set or to go just take pictures of yourself if you have the right equipment but you don't have the right mindset. Everything is about feeling confident, feeling like you're meant to be there, going there with a purpose, and that's also why I encourage a lot of prior planning, especially if you're really nervous and you're not really sure what to do when you get to the location that you want to film. A really good idea is just to strategically plan out like your outfits, your poses. I had some inspo for today and that really helps the flow of things because I knew exactly which outfit I wanted for which location, and for you to be able to do that and just set yourself up to get ready for the shoot that way, you'll have a lot more of a seamless time on set. I got my prop over here. It's mental because that's probably the biggest reason why you feel afraid to go and take your own Instagram pictures for yourself. You feel the need to grab a friend and then like take them here and there, but what if you find that one location that's like perfect and you had the perfect outfit and you look the best and you feel the cutest and you don't have anyone around? If you had everything ready, it would be a shame to not take that picture that you know you would love just because it's missing a friend. When I first started, I was really awkward and I was constantly looking over my shoulder, seeing if anyone was watching me take pictures, but I think over time, the more and more that you do it, you just care a lot less. It's not that I'm no longer afraid. In fact, I actually chose this location today because I knew there'd be a lot less people. Yes, it's really awkward when people pass by and people literally here like, they stop. They don't even pass by. They proper stop and look at you and you know, whatever, and there's nothing you can really do about it. It's all really just about practicing more and more and getting used to the fact that people are just gonna do what people are gonna do and you are just gonna be able to focus on exactly what you're looking for today. Decide that today you are going to be on a mission to get that perfect picture that you've always wanted for yourself. There's a turtle. Cute. Okay, so I managed to finish location 1 with the same outfit with like a little bit of variation here and there. One of them had like closed, open, whatever. It was a little bit awkward because there were people constantly passing by. People literally even like stopped, like not even passing by, like stopped and watched me take a picture. And then when I was like, you know, they were just like, hey, and I was like, hi. But it's okay, because, you know, you just keep doing your own thing. And now I'm gonna try and get to the second location, which is literally just like right around the corner. I'm gonna change my outfit and see if it's possible to do so with the people around. I have a system, okay? You always have to have a system. I coordinated my outfits accordingly, so I know how to get in and out of them pretty quickly and, you know, quite surreptitiously. I hope you can hear me, because there is a waterfall right behind, which is exactly why I wanted to take the pictures here, but the sun has just been coming in and out, so I'm really trying to optimize the time that the clouds kind of cover the sun a little bit, but I'm pretty happy with how the first pictures went. I think it went by pretty quickly. I didn't need to take that long, but you know me, I always just take contingency shots, so I'm gonna try and get the second picture now. Ideally, people will be ignoring you as you are going about your day and taking your own pictures, but if not, you could just treat it like a real photo shoot where you are the model, you are the talent, and you are there for a reason, for a purpose that other people may not understand. You never really know what other people are thinking when they're staring at you, you know? They could be thinking, oh my god, what are they doing? And then they could post you on influencers in the wild, or they could be thinking, oh my gosh, I wish I can do that, you know? I so wish that I had the guts to be filming myself in public, and maybe you are the reason why the next person is able to go and take gorgeous pictures of themselves because maybe they see other people are doing it too.
Oh my god, this is so pretty. This whole situation is so nice.
Another really helpful tip is to smash the like button to learn all about the efforts of creative and to also join and come and help foster this creative community because I'd love to have you here. Don't forget to drink water. Okay, third outfit. I think I'm just gonna have my top involved because I really didn't want to bother changing my bottoms, and the top has like, you know, a little cross. I kind of want to take a portrait. The sun is coming down already. I took a lot longer than I should have. I'm surprised I'm not more shiny, but I can't really be bothered to like touch up on makeup. I did bring makeup, but whatever. Yeah, it's not that serious. You see, it doesn't always have to be perfect to take these Instagram photos of yourself, okay? You just have fun with it. Just don't take yourself too seriously, you know? Giant backpack. You know, gotta store everything in here. Let's go. I think I won't go too far away, but there's so many nice places in this park. So look at that guy. He's so zen. Look at, that's actually a really nice shot. I'm pretty sure he's been meditating. I think now, with the era of selfies and social media, it's really common to see people taking pictures of themselves, and it's not really anything to be embarrassed about. Yes, there are moments where you're like, I don't know, it's just for Instagram, like, is it even worth it? But I think it is. To me, this is just a passion of mine, and everyone has their own passions. Some people fly helicopters, some people drive tiny little boats into lakes, and this is just my hobby over here. Trying to find angles, find good compositions, that is something that I take a lot of pride in when I'm able to find it, and something that I want to just keep developing. And if you're watching this, chances are that you also want to learn how to up your selfie level. I hope this helps you gain insight on what it really looks like to take pictures of yourself in public. It's really all about what you care about more. Do you care more about how other people think of you, or do you care about getting the shot, you know? And for me, I think I've done this enough to know that the shot is so worth it when it comes out exactly how you envisioned it. That's like part of the art to taking pictures and photography, in my opinion, and I just feel like it's so fulfilling when you really are able to get the exact shot that you're looking for. I'll be posting these pictures on Instagram as well, so I'll link it down below. Feel free to check out my Instagram for more creative photography ideas and tips and tricks and tutorials on all things creative, and come and join this creative community by subscribing to this channel for more videos. The world needs to see your fire fit, your beautiful composition, your nature, your setting, whatever it is, your eye for art. The world needs that more. So with that being said, go create a life that you're proud of. See you next time. Bye!